What the heck? What the heck was that? These are the things why I say people are either nasty or inconsiderate and not taking this thing seriously. You don't have to be fearful and run in paranoia, but take precaution. This fool right here went and touched up all the mics. You see when he got up? You see when he got up? That was because he knows he's not supposed to be touching the mic because of precaution. They want coronavirus, COVID-19 precaution. But no, this fool right here decided to go back and touch up all the mics, touch up on the mic, and make sure and go down and touch up all the table and everything. This fool right here did this, I believe it was Monday night. Monday, when he played the Raptors. So now, Raptors, Cleveland Cavs, I think it's the Spurs. I forget all the teams that are now in self-quarantine because of this fool right here. This fool right here went ahead and mocked the precautions, mocked the rules, went against what they wanted to prevent. No, this fool right here is the reason why the NBA season is suspended. This fool right here, ironically, has COVID-19. You're idiot. You're a real idiot. You know that? You're a real idiot. This fool. This fool. Okay? This situation is no different. Mind you, he didn't know that he had COVID-19. Who knows if he knew he came in contact with somebody with it or came in contact with somebody who was sick. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know if he knew. But he didn't know he had it, I'm sure. But he mocked it, rubbing his hands all over. It's no different from the woman, from this woman. Spitting on the elevator buttons. Purposely trying to spread coronavirus, COVID-19. This fool right here is no different from that lady. No different. Okay? I believe he should be disciplined. I believe he should be made an example of. Fined. Fine him. Fine him. Fine him, I don't know, 5,000. Fine him. Because that should be an example of when them set rules, you stick by them. Look at the irony in that. And also the irony in this. They were talking about, NBA was talking about not having fans in the stands. LeBron James says, if no fans come, I ain't playing. How LeBron James go sit down somewhere? Please. If they didn't have fans in there, you're not gonna play? Shut up. Shut up. Warriors were the only team that started that last night. No fans. I've yet to see any clips of how that looked, how that felt. But it might have been a reminder of way back in the day when Golden State wasn't really popular and they didn't really have anybody watching them. Anyways, I digress. But I will say this. No shade, no shade. Y'all are dynasty. So I ain't got nothing to say about that. But the irony of it all is that the COVID-19, your fear should have been other players, not the fans. Because now a player has COVID-19 when they're trying to take precaution to keep the players away from the fans so players don't contract this virus. But look now. Your own can't follow rules and has contracted the virus and now possibility of infecting other teams. Okay? Yeah. This fool right here. This ya idiot, as we say in Jamaica. This ya idiot. See him there? See him there? What am I touch up? Should I box him one? They should have boxed him right back. They should have Lysol down the microphone them. They should have boxed him. Make him go give him the Lysol wipe for go wipe down the microphone. If face favor pan him. Rudy Gobert. I'm sure his name is Rudy Gobert because me hear saying come from France. So me know say no Gobert. Rudy Gobert. Me sure say I'm not too familiar with him because me not follow basketball again the same way me did follow basketball before, so me not too familiar with him. But me sure name Rudy Gobert. Gobert. This a idiot, this a fool right here, sir. The irony of it all, man. The irony of it all is ridiculous.